Welcome to Principles of Accounting. My name is David Bergstein. I will be your instructor for this course. I wanted to introduce myself. I'm a CPA, Certified Public Accountant, CITP, Certified IT Professional, and also a pickleball player and a bike rider on the outside. When you sign into the course, the first thing you will see is the home page telling you what the course name is. In this particular case, it's Welcome to Principles of Financial Accounting, ACG 2021. Down the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see various pieces of information. But in actuality, right on the center of the screen, you'll see a number of buttons that you could pick to choose. In actuality, if you click on Start Here, it will walk you through meeting your instructor, taking you through the syllabus. The course schedule is included there, and it will work you through it. So I'm going to click on the Start Here button, which says Welcome to Principles of Accounting, and it'll give you various pieces of information. It will tell you how to complete the course orientation, which is very essential to do to really understand what's going on in the course. And at the end of each screen is a little next button, which you can't see in this particular video. Since I haven't set it up 100% right yet, since I'm learning how to do it for purposes of this sandbox. And again, more information about me, my contact information, the office hours, how to behave. Since this is an online course, we'll call it netiquette instead of etiquette. My expectations for you, and please tell me if you have any other expectations for me, but I'm here to help you. I'm here as a facilitator. My goal is to help you learn what accounting is, why it's important, and how it benefits you in no matter what your career is in business or actually outside of business, because 98 to 100% of the decisions one makes relate to accounting somewhere along the line. It relates to some financial aspect. Accounting is all about accumulating or recording, sorting, and summarizing information to be able to make judgments and decisions on what to do. So this, as we click through each of the buttons next and the orientation, I'll take you through a course overview, how the course is structured, the navigation, the learning objectives. And I'm not going to go through all of it. I just wanted to show you that it's very systematized in how to go through it. And you'll see the course policies, the attendance. There's an orientation quiz that you have to take the first week because we're online and I want to know you're here. Otherwise, I'll have to drop you. The grading breaks down is here. And as I go through it, the syllabus, course communications will all pop up. But just to make it simple and make this another way to look at it, instead of clicking on that Start Here button, I could have clicked on Modules. And when I click on Modules, it takes you through the orientation from the starting here, course overview, communications, requirements, services, student support services if you need help, a little bit about how to learn Canvas, an orientation quiz, which the points don't count towards the grade, but you can take it as many times as you want to get it 100% correct. A spot for you to ask questions of me that I'll be monitoring, and then a week 1 introduction, so I know a little bit about you and I'll tell you more about myself. And then it will take me through the chapter, and each chapter what's required, and assignments, exercises, etc. So please take the time to go through